vehicle outside the confines of Buthelezi, Mohola, and other police officers that could have been there. Remember that?
But yakhumbula ke thi sikubuyele emuva futhi uyakhumbula umnumzana uGininda wathi ngesikhathi bekahlangana nawe eFosloras yena ke wakhuluma nawe ninobabili nje kuphela abo Buthelezi abo Mohola nabo Mogane abo Bongane futhi nabanye kade bengekho futhi ngesikhathi lesi umnumzana uGininda bekakhuluma nawe nakhulumela ngaphakathi emotweni.
Ngiyakhumbula inkulumo kaGininda.
I remember Gininda's words.
Now I want you to comment on the following.
Gininda
testified that after you had spoken to him and made certain admissions, you gave him an impression that you were relieved. A weight, a monkey was taken off your back because now you've spoken about the admissions that you had made to him.
But umnumzana ke Constable Brigadier Gininda khona inkulumo abayikhuluma ukuthi waqapha ukuthi mhlawumbe wabona ukuthi ngemuva kokuthi wena ke ukhulume naye bese ke bekwakhona izinto kade wena uyivuma lenkulumo kade nenayo wena naye awutshengakala njengomuntu owawusovele sokhululekile njengongathi kade khona kumthwala de ususile la emahlombe kwena.
It
never happened that way.
Ugininda mangidibana naye ufika lapha yamangishaya mabe yamala amaphoyisa ukungishaya babambe meeting yabe eceleni mabebuya babuya bonke uzongibuza imibuzo ukuthi ngazini ngokufa kaSenzo Meyiwa ila ngimtshela khona ngazi lutho ngokufa kaSenzo Meyiwa.
During the time Mr. Gininda arrived, he arrived during the time of the assault, during the time I was assaulted by the police. Soon after that, he then had a discussion with the police members on the other side. He then, after their short meeting, he then came back to me, and then as soon as he came back to me, he then asked me as to what is it that I know about the death of Senzo. Bese ubabuGininda babamba umhlangano wabo namaphoyisa ngale eceleni wabuya kwena ke bafu wakuza ukuthi yini oyaziyo ngokushona kukaSenzo liqhubeke funa uqala lapho.
Kunokuthi ngathi wakhona okusukayo kwakudeka mongo ngoba ngilokhu libele ngishawa ngishayela ukuthi ngithi angazi lutho ngokufa kaSenzo.
To say that I was relieved, it was wrong because of they were adding more of the assault, simply because of they were asking me as to what is it that I know about the death of Senzo, and I kept on telling them that I know nothing about the death of Senzo.
Now, on the 30th of May 2020, did you, Mr. Moses Sibiya, make certain admissions to Brigadier Gininda regarding your personal involvement in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa?
Manje kumbuzo ukuthi wena ke mnomzana umuzi Sibiya kukhona yini owakuvuma kumnomzana uBrigadier Gininda ngokushona kukaSenzo Meyiwa noma ngokudlala iqhaza ekushoneni kukaSenzo Meyiwa?
Akukho engakuvuma ukufa kaSenzo, akukho engikwaziyo ngokufa kaSenzo Meyiwa.
I never made any admissions and I don't know anything about the death of Senzo.
Namanje oba ngimtshela ukuthi angazi lutho namanje lapha ngikade ngisasho ukuthi angazi lutho ngokufa kaSenzo Meyiwa.
Even still today I still maintain myself as I am standing here before the court. I know nothing about the death of Senzo.
Now finally, Mr. Sibiya, let's go to the 6th of June 2020 when you are transported home to your parents' homestead. Remember that?
Manje ececethu mina sikhulume ke ngelanga la nge6 zaka June ngesikhathi lesi kade amaphoyisa ekuthathile behamba nawe nelibangise ekhaya kini emakhaya. Yakhumbula lokho?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, Brigadier Gininda has testified in this court to say the reason why you were taken down to your parents' residential place was for bail verification purposes, to verify your address, not what you said that Bongane asked you what can they do for you because you've been in custody, incommunicado, without seeing your parents, relatives, children, whoever.
bathi uyakhumbula ke umnumzana ubaba uBrigadier Gininda washo isathu esaphoqa ekuthizeni uthathu umikise ekhaya kini isathu sakhona wathi uGininda ubaba uGininda washo ukuthi kade kuyisathu noma kade kuyinhloso ukuthi benze isiqiniseko sekhiri lakho ngoba kade uzamana nesicelo sebail yakuzwa yini kepha bathi kade kungasikho lokho wena okushiyo la ngaphambi kwenkosi enkantolo noma ngaphambi kwenkantolo ukuthi ubongane wabuza kuwena ukuthi yini ongafisa ukuthi bakwenzele yona bese wena ke washo khona nje ukuthi ungathanda ukuthi baxhumanise nomndeni wakho ngoba umndeni wakho kade ungazi lutho ukuthi ukuphi futhi kade unesikhathi ungasakubona umndeni wakho ukuthi abazali bakho uma nobaba noma kuthi wakini futhi nezingane zakini.
Yeah.
Were you taken, did Gininda tell you that he's taking you to your hometown for bail verification purposes?
Ngabe ubaba umnumzana uBrigadier
To
Gininda
verify your address?
watshela yini ukuthi uhamba nawe uya nawe emakhaya kini kumuzi wabazali bakho ngoba kade efuna ukwenza isiqiniseko ngekhiri lakho mayelana nodaba lwesicelo sebail?
Cha.
No.
Now, you leave Kempton Park, there's an escort, you are transported in. How were your hands at the time? Were they restrained in any manner?
Bathi manje ke niyahamba nishiya ke Captain Park nilibangiseke emakhaya. Kade isimo sesandla sakho zinjani? Beyibushiwe noma kade zingabushiwe?
Beyiboshiwe.
My hands were cuffed.
And how were you handcuffed?
Boboshiwe kanjani? Ezandleni?
Bengiboshiwe ngemuva.
I was handcuffed from the back.
And talk to me about the tightness of the handcuffs on your wrist. Were they loose? Were they very tight?
Manje eqethi ummeli ecela ukuthi umtshele ke ngokuboshwa kwakho ke ezandleni ngama-hand ngogaxaqhoza nkosi ezandleni zakho ukuthi ngesikhathi ukuthi begaxoza nkosi kade mhlawumbe sikhona yini isikhala la kuwena ke ehlahleni zakho ezandleni zakho noma kade singekho isikhala phakathi kwezandla nozankosi yini ukuthi uhamba nawe uya nawe emakhaya kini kumuzi wabazali bakho ngoba kade efuna ukwenza isiqiniseko ngekhiri lakho mayelana nodaba lwesicelo sebail?
Cha.
No.
Now, you leave Kempton Park, there's an escort, you are transported in. How were your hands at the time? Were they restrained in any manner?
Bathi manje ke niyahamba nishiya ke Captain Park nilibangiseke emakhaya. Kade isimo sesandla sakho zinjani? Beyibushiwe noma kade zingabushiwe?
Beyiboshiwe.
My hands were cuffed.
And how were you handcuffed?
Boboshiwe kanjani? Ezandleni?
Bengiboshiwe ngemuva.
I was handcuffed from the back.
And talk to me about the tightness of the handcuffs on your wrist. Were they loose? Were they very tight?
Manje eqethi ummeli ecela ukuthi umtshele ke ngokuboshwa kwakho ke ezandleni ngama-hand ngogaxaqhoza nkosi ezandleni zakho ukuthi ngesikhathi ukuthi begaxoza nkosi kade mhlawumbe sikhona yini isikhala la kuwena ke ehlahleni zakho ezandleni zakho noma kade singekho isikhala phakathi kwezandla nozankosi?
Sasingekho. Mawuza nkosi mabengemva mawuhlala emontweni. Uhlala phezu kwazo vele izandla nozankosi zidibane isitulo nomzimba zingcinyo zankosi bezibangciyele kuwe so isikhala sasingekho.
The cuffs, they were tight on my hands, and when I sat down on the chair, when I sat down on the seat, and then I sat back on my hands, and then those handcuffs, they were very much tight.
Kule address mina ilo lami nasethembisa iaddress enganikeze yona nganikeze iaddress yaseVusumuzi.
Pertaining to the matter in Atembisa about my address, I gave out the address of where my uncle was staying to my legal representative.
Okay, and do you still remember that address? Just going into that briefly.
Ngawusakhumbula yini ikhili lakho lapha eThembisa
Yeah.
Yes.
What was the address?
Kade lithini ikhili lakhona?
1818
18
for small section.
Vusumuzi section.
Okay. Now, still continue with that journey. Were you handcuffed at your back throughout your trip from Kempton Park or Tambo Airport until the destination, which is your parents' homestead?
Manje kumuzo ukuthi ngabe kade begaxoza Nkosi ukusuka eCaptain Park naze nayofika emakhaya kulomuzi wabazali bakho.
Ukusuka eVelaria.
Okay, sorry, yeah. From Velaria to Kempton Park, then to your
Ngaze
parents'
ngafika
homestead.
emahlabathini ekhaya.
Okay.
I was handcuffed from Velaria up until we reached home in Mahlabatini, my homestead.
And whilst you were still seated in the car, as per your testimony that your parents were called one by one to come and have a conversation with you, were you still handcuffed as you are seated in that car at your homestead?
Umuzo ukuthi ngesikhathi lesibufike lapha kini emakhaya kumuzi wabazali bakho neekini ngabe kade vele ugaxoza Nkosi kwena ngesikhathi lesi uqale wafika ubaba wakho ozokhuluma nawe noma 40 noma kodwa wakini.
Yebo ngangilokhu fawoza Nkosi.
Yes, I was handcuffed at all times.
And now between from Villaria, Kempton Park, up to Mahlabatini, were you afforded any comfort breaks along the route?
Manje kumuzo ukuthi ngesikhathi lesi busuka eVelaria nahamba na eCaptain Park nasuka eCaptain Park nahamba na ufika eMahlabathini ngabe bakulekelela ngesikhathi yini sokuthi uthi ukushaywa umoya kancane noma mhlawumbe uthi ukushaya abafana?
Angisakhumbuli ngoba ngathi akasengisichame up until siyofika ekhaya. Ngafika ngachama uma ngifika ekhaya.
I don't remember whether was I afforded such an opportunity or not. However, I think I only got to help myself by peeing when we arrived at home.
And at the time when you were booked out from Villaria, had you already had breakfast?
Umuzo ukuthi ngesikhathi kade amaphoyisa ekuthatha lapha eVelaria ekseni bosodlile isidlo sakho sasekuseni uma bungakasidli.
Bengingakadli.
I did not had my breakfast.
So from Villaria to Kempton Park to Mahlabatini, were you offered anything to eat or drink?
But manje ukusuka eVelaria, Captain Park, nasuka eCaptain Park nahamba nazofika emakhaya eMahlabathini, ngabe bakupha yini isiphuzo sokuthi uphuze?
Cha, baze bengiphe lutho.
No, they never gave me anything.
Did you eat at your homestead, at your parents' homestead?
Ngabe wadla yini kini emakhaya?
Cha, akaze ngidle.
No, I never ate.
Did you have a drink at your parents' homestead?
Ngabe sikhona yini isiphuzo wathi ukusiphuza mawufika le kini emakhaya?
Cha, akaze ngiphuze.
No, I never drank anything.
The police officers that transported you, did they have food along the route when they were transporting you home?
Manje umuzo ukuthi amaphoyisa la kade uhamba nawo kuphelekeza le ekhaya ngabe bona kade benako yini ukudla ngabe khona yini isikhathi la badla ngaso emgwaqweni?
Yebo sikhona.
Yes.
Now, from your hometown back to, you'll tell me the route that you took. Did you come back from your home to Kempton Park, then Villaria, or did you come from your home directly to Pretoria, Villaria?
Manje kathi uzositshela ukuthi nabuye nahamba kanjani kuma nebuya emakhaya yini umuzo ukuthi ngabe nathi manisuka le emakhaya nahamba amaphoyisa ashayela naqala eCaptain Park bese nasuka eCaptain Park bese na eVelaria noma nathi manisuka emahlabathini nashayela usuka emahlabathini nahamba niqonde ngqo lapha eVelaria?
Sasuka ekhaya emahlabathini badlula e-airport. Umhula wathatha imoto yakhe noGinile wathatha imoto yakhe. Lezi ezithu zase ziyangiphelekezela imoto iFortuner neNissan Qashqai sasongibeka la eVelaria.
My apologies, counsel. Ngicela uphinde futhi bafo nabandlula airport airport yasemakhaya noma yalana?
Bendlule airport yase Kempton Park.
Okay. From Mahlabathini, they drove all the way up to the airport in Kempton Park. That is where Mohula umhula kwathatha khona imoto yakade ahamba eshayela.
masifike eCaptain Park umhula wehla wathatha imoto yakhe noGeninda wathatha imoto yakhe lezi eziyi2 zangiphelekezela zazongibeka everanini.
Okay, Mohula then took her own car, and even Mr. Gininda took his own car, and then they then drove into different cars, Mohula and Gininda, and then the 2 vehicles, they then escorted us all the way to Velaria.
And the same questions, and route back from Makabatini, were you given any food or drink by the police officers?
Umuzwa ukuthi umgaqweni ngesikhathi ngihamba lesemgaqweni sendleleni nesuke emahlabathini ngaba amaphoyisa akupha yini iphuzo noma mhlawumbe ukudla ukuthi udle.
Cha awangiphanga lutho.
No, they never.
Iphuzo awasengiphuza.
No, they never offered me food or drinks.
Mr. Sibia, I'm thankful. Those were the questions that I had for you. My Lord, I'm indebted. Thank you.
Uyabonga ke ummeli futhi asiqedile ke yona iphele imibuzo kaBanayo afisa ukuthi
I was just about to say, my Lord, it's just about the stroke of 1 o'clock, my Lord.
Is that so?
Yes.
The hot seat. Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on